Hi, this is ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you that the device comes with the USB cable by default. So let's open the box. Let's check this paper box. There is some paperwork and the SIM eject tool, and also check the another boxes. Let's check this one. And this is the charger box. So let's check the second box, and we could see that our device comes with this with the USB Type-C cable by default. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.